welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're out on the water again. It's a couple days before Christmas, so gotta get out here, try to catch a fish or two. We're out on Folsom Lake. You know, they call Clear Lake the bass factory, but for me, Folsom's been more like the skunk factory. Been skunked out here more times than I'd like to admit, but hopefully we can get on some fish. Kind of out here trying to figure something out. We do have a tournament coming up here in March, so I'd like to figure this lake out enough to catch a few fish, because that was my very first tournament and I skunked on that last year out here at Folsom. Trying out some new camera gear. We got another GoPro Hero 9 gifted to me, so thanks Dan for that. We should have some better video, some better audio from the rear camera in case the front one goes out. Trying out the new Yak-A-Bass black pack, and I have the camera on that black pack right now, but I'm not sure I like the angle. We'll have to figure it out, get some kinks worked out before this tournament season coming up. But hey, just out here, enjoyed the day. Been out a few other times since the Tournament of Champions at Berryessa and didn't do very well. I skunked at the team tournament, Lake Comanche. Had I caught one little 12-inch fish, our team would have won. But feel bad that I wasn't able to put our team in first place with a catch. So, and then I came out here one other time to Folsom and we skunked out here, and the water was way higher than it is right now. If you could tell from when I launched here, from a video that I posted earlier in the year, catching a fish on a mag draft out here, and the water was way up, and it's now way down, so we need some more rain this year. All right, we're gonna get to fishing. No more talking. Let's catch some fish, bring you guys along. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me some comments. We're gonna get on some fish today. I feel it. Let's go. Just trolling a crankbait up to this point. It's something you can't do in a tournament. You can't troll, but we're not in tournament today, so figure we can cover some water with a crankbait as we're headed from spot to spot. Maybe find some schooling fish offshore. Oh yeah, I got a fish. Right on. What do we got? What do we got? Looks like he's gonna try to jump. Stay down. Oh yeah, it's a little bass. Little bass. Come on. All right. All right, well, we didn't skunk, so we can't call it the skunk factory today. Got a tiny little mouth. Maybe. Let me get him out of the net. Yeah, little smallmouth. Pretty little fish. Little smallmouth. Let's see. Is it a keeper size? I think it is. Oh yeah. It's dead. 13.5. Pretty little smallie. Alright, let's let this guy go. He's gone. I know there is fish in this area. I can see them on the graph. Plus, I just caught one. see if we can pick one off with the A-rig. Somebody out here water skiing in freaking December? These people are crazy. Well, I got stuck in the same pattern I always get stuck in. I caught one fish in this area here, so I just tend to spend too much time in the area. I haven't had another fish since. I also caught it trolling, so I'm just gonna troll up past these buoys to the next buoy, turn around, come back. I mean, I know I can't use this technique in a tournament, but I like trolling. I like moving from spot to spot. And what it can do is it can help me locate the fish for the tournament days. I can mark them on my graph where I caught them, come back on tournament day and fish those same areas. Hopefully they reproduce. There's a fish. There we go. Oh, you dirty dog. Chunky little spot. See if this one was another 13 and a half. Yep, another 13 and a half. This one's a spotted bass. Not a bad day. Let's let it go. Let's go. Let's go see if there's any more. Spots usually school up over here. Alright, well, as you can see, the sun is going down. Wasn't too terrible out here. We ended up catching 2 fish. We might catch another one trolling on the way in. We'll see. Caught one on a crankbait, one on a jerkbait. We got out here about 9 o'clock this morning. 9:30 on the water, something like that. It's 3:30. So it's not a bad day. I'll take that. And it's you know, right before Christmas, so I can't complain. I have open water. Some people have a lot of snow and ice that they're dealing with. So this will obviously come out well after Christmas, but hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.